Hello, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and this video is about the Cape Honeysuckle shrub. I've got some Cape Honeysuckle here. They're about 15 gallon in size over at Moon Valley Nursery here in North Peoria. To describe, it's just a thick, lush shrub that's pretty dense. It's got a dark green leaf. It's got a pretty orange flower, a little flower that blooms throughout the year. They get to about 3 to 9 feet in height. Depending on how you maintain them, they are fast growing. It blooms throughout all seasons, but it does better in the growing months. Blooms a little less in the winter, and it's green all year. It'll freeze below 28 degrees, which is pretty rare here in Phoenix. Makes a great hedge, and it does require some heavy water, at least at the beginning. And I can be sure to follow the link on our website about recommended watering, but because it's a desert adaptable plant, you can get this on a little less watering regimen after about a year by kind of weeding it off and getting it more desert adaptable. It can handle acidic and alkaline soils, so it's can really handle our tough soil here. It's native to South Africa. What's special about this shrub is it's non-allergenic. It's great around pools because it doesn't have a lot of shed, and it attracts hummingbirds and just regular birds, which is pretty cool. It's a great plant if you're looking to hedge, in your backyard, maybe cover your walls, or just get some more green foliage at your property. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and make it a great day.